Good morning, grade 1. I hope you are doing well and I miss you so much. Grade 1, we were talking about light and shadow. Let us make a quick revision just to remember. Let's count some sources of light. Sources of light or from where the light come. Light come from sun, fire, stove, candles, flashlights, light bulbs. Excellent. These are some sources of light or from where the light come. I told you before, if we are sitting in a dark room, we can see things. No, we can see nothing. Because no light, we can see nothing. Grade 1. Excellent. So, then teacher, we talked about shadow. And I said before that light can pass through everything. Grade 1. Nope, teacher. Light cannot pass through everything because light can pass through clear glass, but it cannot pass through my body, the tree, the door. Excellent. What happened when these things stand up between the source of light and the ground, or the source of light to where the light wanna reach or where the light wanna get down? It makes what, grade 1? Excellent. It makes what? Shadow. So we get a shadow when something blocks the way of the light, when something stands up between source of light and where the light wanna reach or where the light wanna get down. Like clouds can make a shadow, teachers? Yeah, clouds can make a shadow. You know why? Because clouds stand up between sunlight and the ground. In this case, clouds say for the sunlight, no sunlight, you will not reach to the ground. So it makes what? It makes shadow. The tree makes a shadow, grade 1? Yes, even you make a shadow. Yes, that's right, because the tree and you stand up between the source of light, it means sunlight in this case, and the ground. So let us see this part only here. When we talk about when something stands up between source of light and the ground, it makes what? Makes shadow.
Lessons. Light comes from a light source, like the sun. If that light gets blocked by another object, like a tree, it creates a shadow. Blocking sources of light can create different.
But teacher, sometimes I can see my shadow, it's very long, and I can see my shadow, it's very short, even shorter than me, even longer than me. That's a true, grade 1. When you can see your shadow longer than you, early in the morning or in the middle of the day? Focus in this point. When you're coming early to the school, you can see your shadows longer than you. That's true. So early in the morning, we can see the shadow as you look here in this picture. Early in the morning, look at this picture here. Early in the morning, shadow is long, even longer than you because sun is low in the sky. So when the sun is low in the sky or closer to us, shadow is long. Excellent. But in the middle of the day, at noon, sun is high in the sky, sun is far away, so shadow is gonna be what? It's gonna be short. So in the middle of the day, shadow is short. Early in the morning, shadow is long. Okay, grade 1, let us complete this part from this video.
As sun comes down to Earth, sometimes it gets blocked by clouds. The clouds will make shadows like this.
Excellent. The clouds will make a shadow like that one. Yes. How, teacher? Because the clouds here stand up between the sunlight and the ground. Clouds here say for the sunlight, no light. You will not reach it to the ground. I'll block your way. The same here. Done this point, grade 1?
Try to guess the objects that made these different shadows. This shadow here was found in a restaurant. What about this shadow here?
Shadow for girl.
It was made by a little girl.
Today, we learned that if light traveling from a light source gets blocked, it creates a shadow.
Excellent. We learned today, grade 1. If the light traveling from a light source gets blocked, it creates a shadow. So when the light blocked, it makes what? Shadow. When we get the longest shadow, grade 1, early in the morning or in the middle of the day? Excellent, early in the morning because Sun is low or high in the sky? Sun is low in the sky. Excellent, grade 1. When we get the shortest shadow, grade 1, at noon, in the middle of the day, or early in the morning? Excellent, in the middle of the day, teacher. At noon, when the sun is high or low? When the sun is high in the sky. Done. That was our lesson for today, grade 1. Okay, so the question time, the lovely part for you in the period. Okay, let us make a quick revision or a question time for our lesson today, grade 1. Count with me, grade 1, some sources of light: sun, fire, stove, candles, flashlights, light bulbs. Excellent. No light, we can see anything? Nope. No light, we cannot see, or we can see nothing. If you are sitting in a dark room, teacher, we can see things? No, because no light, we can see nothing again. So if there is no light, teacher, we can get a shadow? No, because no light means no shadow. When we get a shadow, grade 1, when something, the light pass through it, or when something blocks the way of the light? Excellent, when something blocks the way of the light. The last point, when we get the shortest shadow, at noon or early in the morning? Excellent, at noon, when the sun is high in the sky. When we get a long shadow, early in the morning or at noon? Excellent, we get a long shadow early in the morning when the sun is low in the sky. That was our lesson for today, grade 1. See you.